Good morning from Burton Waters Boat Sales. Today I am going to be showing you around this Maxum 3000 SCR. So the boat is a 1999 build and she features some new upgrades which we'll go on to shortly. And as you can see, the canopy, first thing to note, is in excellent condition, just been fitted and replaced earlier on this year, February 2025 that was done. On the aft as well, you can see it's been fitted with flexi-teak that runs into the cockpit and so on, which we will show you as well. So with this being an American sports cruiser, you get your access from your step, the hatch opens, and then you get access to your front deck where you can do your sunbathing, etc., and get access to the front locker and windlass. So overall the hull is in decent condition. As you can see, we've got a lovely day for it today, although there does seem to be a bit of sunshine over there. So what we'll do is we will head on into the cockpit now. So here you've got your transom gate, a really good size, so you've got any pets or anything on board, you can keep them in, or any children. Then the first thing which you will see is you are met with this U-shaped seating area, so you could comfortably see around 6 people on here, and then you can dine with your table. So like I say, if you are dining, although that can always be removed if you just wanted a bit more space to move around when you are sat here. On your port side, you've got your access to your isolator just behind this cabinet. Sink, and then below that you've just got some additional storage. I'll mention again, the canopy is in excellent condition. So coming onto the helm now, you can see you could easily squeeze 3 or 4 people on here, and then as mentioned, you get your access to your front deck by this step. Then that just opens, really easy to do so. You can use this as a grab rail as well. So coming on to the actual helm itself, we are on twin Mercruiser 4.2 litre 210 horsepower diesel inboard engines, cruising anywhere between 18-19 knots. Simrad plotter, newly fitted. We've got VHF, and then the bow thrusters recently just been fitted on board as well. The engine hours are currently just at 707, so relatively low for the age of the boat. There are signs of wear obviously to be expected with a boat of the age, however that could always be replaced with a aftermarket. What we tend to see is like a carbon effect being fitted now, but you could always adjust that to your taste. And then additional equipment up there. Features like this as well would benefit from just having some new switches, just would really enhance the look. And there is also heating on board throughout with multiple heating outlets. So I'll take my shoes off and then we will head down below. Now this boat actually offers a lot of space down below. So on your port side, as you would expect, typical sports cruiser, American, you've got your galley setup here with twin alcohol hob. Above that you've got your microwave, plenty of storage on these overhead lockers, and then more deep storage throughout. Sink, really good size. More places to store your bits and pieces below there, and then you've got your fridge just located below the alcohol hobs. Lots of light in here as well. It does not feel dark even though it's grey outside. Got some escape hatches at the front and then multiple potholes on the side, just letting in a bit of light and ventilation as well, because these hatches do open and then your portholes open as well. So coming on to your seating area now, plenty of space to seat a few guests on board, and then you can also dine when you want to. And then coming on to the front cabin now, you can actually enclose that. As you can see here, this just comes off and then you can pull it out, so you can make that nice and private in the evenings if you have got separate guests on board, or it just means you can turn that on. You can separate the area so it feels like a bedroom rather than just being all open, which is nice to have. And a good size as well, with plenty of headroom above, with plenty of light. You've got a mirror so you can look at yourself. And then we will go onto the heads. So you've got toilet there with electric flush, another mirror, and then a sink with hot and cold water as well. And in there you've got heating outlets, so even in the colder months, still a very usable boat, and you won't be freezing when you use it in the bathroom. So coming on to the aft section now, as you can see here, it's currently set up as a seating area, just so if you wanted to lounge around in the evenings, you can do so and just use it as a separate space. You've also got some more light. As you can see, the blinds are currently down, but when that's lifted, just provides more light. We've also got the additional lights on top, so it does not feel dark at all down here. Then you've got your heating control. So as I have said previously about 5 times, we have got heating on board, so it is just a really usable boat, and you're not going to feel limited because you've got plenty of space and very usable with the heating. So coming on to your engine bay now, as you can see, you've got a pair of twin Mercruiser 4.2 litre diesel engines. These produce around 210 horsepower each. And down there you've got a good amount of room for when you are servicing or doing any work. And easy to get access to. The hatch just lifts, and then you've got direct access into your engine bay. So thank you for watching this video on the Maxum 3000 SCR. This boat is priced at £39,950, and she's available to view 7 days a week here at our Lincoln office. So if you'd like any further information on this boat, please let me know. We'll leave the link to the boat below, as well as the website to check out any of the listings which could be of interest for you. Make sure to subscribe for more content, as we would appreciate it. We're trying to grow, so the more subscribes the better. Thank you for watching.